It's a whole type of car. They all cleared away. See that the guy working on a car over there with a forklift, working to dumpster all these cars. These are Old Alabama. Because I visit in the morning. See the other cabin working over there, and there's a lot of wasting here. Actually, I testing this morning. I need to try to see how Alabamian trucks everywhere, car jack on the road, and the people who don't need car selling, but maybe lower price. So yeah. Old building, maybe a house, another warehouse are still working over there. Another is a dormant, working, maybe it all went down long time ago, maybe. I can't tell how long this warehouse maybe went down, because I don't know. But on my way to find out. The strip on Alabama, I need to clean it up everywhere. See, car. I want to see the jug right there. All these jug there. Some others are a good car, but about to build the car, come like, look, you're gonna use it, it's too expensive. It's better do it away and buy maybe another one. That's why I see all this junk then here. That's a Ford 350E. Keep subscribing to my aspiration for new videos. Maybe God bless you.